Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lapaboni Europiccola espresso machine. Now for this machine we just had to reset the safety switch that it triggered because the machine was getting a little too hot. We also had to adjust the pressure stat, so this machine will be around 1.2 bars. Right now, as you can see on the gauge, it's at 1.2 bars. We're having the machine definitely on as well. There you go. 1.2 bars. And now we're going to be testing the group head since we don't have the portafilter. As you saw, excellent shower flow coming out from the group head. As you can see and hear, definitely good steam coming out from that boiler. 1.2 bars of pressure inside the boiler, getting hot and ready to brew. So there you have it, the Paponi Europiccola heating once again. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.